Okay, so this is day number 9, and I woke up this morning and you can see that I've started to peel again, you guys, and so I think this is going to be the hardest part. I want to point this out. That is from when I got this shot, the numbing shot. For some reason, I got a bruise and it's just getting worse, and so that's what's going on with there. You guys, a lot of people, especially on TikTok, have asked me if I'm worried about my discolorization, if the red doesn't go away. I just have faith that from what I've been told, I have faith, is that the word? I've just been told that it will eventually go away, but that it can take a while. So I'm gonna say not faith, patience. I have patience, and I'm doing everything I'm supposed to be doing, and I'm gonna show you right now all of my skincare routine. So many of you asked what I was doing. I'm using the Luxury Medical Grade Skincare. It is from Form RX, and the system is amazing. And it's probably hard for you to see. These are the things I'm using, but here you can kind of see here. I cleanse with the Gentle Cleanser, and it's amazing. Then there's a Curing Nectar filler in a bottle, Peptide Gel with vitamin C. Then I put Complete Skin Repair Moisturizer on, and then I apply my skin protection morning only, and that is what I do.